John Wick Chapter 4, as the bounty increases on John's head, he races through the streets of Paris trying to escape the High Table's assassins. Well, some of the assassins start jumping into different cars, including this hero version of the 1970 Oldsmobile Classic that was used in the production of the film. Now, the car comes with German registration paperwork, so technically it is not legal for US street use, but the cool thing is, it is still operational. Now, this car is a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass, kind of known as muscle cars among car enthusiasts. And one of the ways you can tell is just by looking at the engine. Now, we're not sure if this is the original engine, but what you can tell is that the movie makers took the care to make an engine that would look and sound like a muscle car of the time period. So whether you're a fan of John Wick or a classic car enthusiast, go to propstore.com/John Wick and bid on this and 250 other amazing items right now.